Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to add co-organizers to a meeting in Microsoft Teams. A co-organizer can help the organizer of a meeting to set up and change the meeting options. Let's get started and I'll show you every step. Here I am in the calendar of Microsoft Teams. Let's see how to add co-organizers to a meeting. Here I have already created a meeting called Brainstorming Project Delta. Let me double click on it. And here, as you can see, I invited several participants. Now, to nominate co-organizers, I have to go on Meeting Options. This dropped me on the following page because I am on the browser. Now, you can see that there is a new field here, Choose Co-organizers. Now, if I click on this drop-down, I am able to see the list of participants. And here I'm going to select Adele Events as co-organizer. Let me click on Save. It's time to use Microsoft Teams from the Adele Events perspective. Now I am connected as Adele Events. Let me double click on this meeting, Brainstorming Project Delta. And here, as a normal organizer, I have the plus button to add additional apps. Let me join this meeting. Now that I am in the meeting, I can add apps here as well. And clicking on the ellipsis button, I have the meeting options available. I can go on meeting options, and here as a normal organizer I can configure the meeting. I can allow mic for attendees, allow camera for attendees, record automatically. I can allow reactions, enable language interpretation, so I have the full capability like an organizer. This feature is really useful to set up breakout rooms. Alright, we have seen how to add co-organizers to a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you enjoyed this video, please consider to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye.